Hey everyone, in today's Snapchat video, I want to show you how to try and get verified on Snapchat. Now, Instagram, for example, has this built into it as a request option, but with Snapchat, you actually have to contact Snapchat to ask to be verified. I'm going to show you in this video how to do that. So on your Snapchat account, go ahead and press your profile icon on the top right, your little emoji if you have it, to basically bring you to the settings page here. And on the top right, you should see the gear icon. Go ahead and press that. And if you scroll all the way down here to the support section of this page, there should be a help center option. Go ahead and press help center and it will bring you to support.snapchat.com, but it will show you that within inside the app. But you could also go to the website directly if you wanted to do that, support.snapchat.com. Here, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Now, make sure you actually do have a Snapchat account that does get some views. They're not going to do this for every single person, obviously. So it's not that easy to get verified. Your best bet is to increase your snaps and your views on Snapchat before you do this. But here we want to press contact us, and then we want to press my Snapchat is not working. Go ahead and press that option. And on this page, we want to press other, the last option. And then on the bottom of the page, press yes. Now it says which best describes your issue. My issue is not listed. Press that option. And that finally brings you to this section where you could tell them your username, email, mobile number, device, and when did you start having this problem, attachment, and what information should we know about. So I'm going to tell you what this means. So the username is obviously your Snapchat username. So go ahead and type that in. Again, if you're a brand, that will help. If it's your full legal name, that will help. And then go ahead and type in your email, type in your mobile number here, type in your device, so iPhone X in this case. When did you start having this problem? So I could put in the date of today or the week before. And what information should we know? I'm going to skip the attachment for a second. And this is the important part, and this is your only shot at getting verified. Again, if your snaps are only getting 100 to 500 views, that's not going to get you verified. You have to have an account that has some substance and some follower. But you basically want to tell them my account is being impersonated. So you could see here, this is kind of what I typed out, that my account is being impersonated. My viewers are getting confused. And if I get verified, they will no longer be confused and they will get the right content. Again, I know I mentioned this a few times, but if you just have a regular Snapchat account, you're not going to get verified. So make sure you grow your Snapchat. But what will also help is this attachment option, choose file. And if you have a photo ID, like a state ID or a driver's license, you could actually upload that. That will significantly help you. And if you have a business account here, you could actually choose a file of your incorporation article. For example, so Howfinity is a corporation. I could show them my government document of that happening. That will significantly help. In my case, I don't have a big follower on Snapchat, so if I submit this, I won't get approved. But if you do have a following on Snapchat, this is your best bet. And if Snapchat changes this and makes the process a little bit easier, I will update this video and link it in the description. I hope you found this helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for daily tech videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.